And so it was always our goal that like, this is a window into a much broader world. It's an entertaining, wild, grip the edge of your seats kind of story, but then it brings you into the broader space. In doing that, then there's a handful of other stories about, just who the man is and the idea of how to create a religion like that you could really dive into that he has done very well in terms of his ability to create a large following, create deep belief, create rituals, create that kind of very strong connection. There's a lot of directions there that we definitely explored and had to leave behind.
Sure. So even in language, like you're saying, I don't think anybody argues against Richard having a cult of personality, being a cult of personality, or Hex being a cult of personality, which largely follows Richard.
He study culture, and his job was, and it wasn't go in and assess like, is or is this not a cult? We're largely talking about language here. I think we all know how a lot of crypto communities behave and how they, act as a community.